So under the reports and statements drop-down list from the manage feature of Payoneer.com, you'll have transaction reports, monthly statements, account statements for Amazon if you have an Amazon storefront, confirmation of receiving accounts that you have open for your Payoneer account. Let's say you have a USD account and you need confirmation that you do have a USD account, they can generate a letter for you and a letter of good standing that shows your balance at the end of the day. If you want to show it to, let's say, a corporation that you have asked for a loan for, if you're applying for a car loan, a mortgage, then you could use that letter of good standing that Payoneer will generate for you. So let's go over transaction reports. If you want to create a new report, you could press this button and you generate the report for a certain period for this month, last month, the past 90 days, the past year, or a custom range that you have. So let's say for a custom range from, you click the year that you would want your custom range to start with. Let's say April of 2024. Let's say April the 1st. To change it to April 2025. It's a maximum of 1 year of report period. Press April and then April 1st of 2025, and then you apply and then you press next. You could add in the report details: USD, Euro, GBP. You could add all three. You could add just two. You could add just one. It's going to ask you for a format, whether you want it in a CSV file or in a PDF file. Then you press next and you could create the report. Once you're done creating the report, you could go back to your transactions page and it's going to be generating your report for the period that you have put in. I already requested one earlier. So when I download this, it's going to show up as all of the transactions that I've made for April 2024 to April 2025. So for the monthly statement, it's going to ask you for the balances that you have. So you could use your USD wallet, your Euro wallet, your Pound wallet, or any other wallet that you have. You could also have it reflect your bank, the movement on your bank accounts, on your local bank accounts that you have connected with Payoneer. So let's just say for the USD balance for the month of April 2024, you want to see the monthly statement on that time frame. You just press download. It's going to have a pop-up where a report will be generated for you. Once you open that report, it's going to show all of the transactions, if there are any, for that specific month. So the account statement for Amazon, you just have to connect your Amazon storefront if you have one. You have to choose the receiving account that you have available. You press next. You put in the account statement details. So the registered legal name on Amazon, the storefront email, the country where your storefront is located, the address, city, town, postal zip code. And then once you press download and all of your information are good to go, you press download and it's going to be generating an Amazon Seller Central statement for you. So on the confirmation of receiving account, your statement recipient should show your client, USD, your receiving account. Just add in my name. Once you download, again, it's going to have a pop-up that's going to generate and download your file automatically. You just have to wait a few minutes for it to show up, and it's going to look like this. It's going to do attention to the marketplace or the client that you would want it to be addressed to. The subject is confirmation of the Payoneer receiving account. It's going to have these details on there that can be used to receive USD or any wallet that you have from companies. And it's also going to have your billing address on it, your routing number, your SWIFT code, your account number, the date of the issue of your receiving account, and the bank name for your account. If you want to generate a letter of good standing, you just press that area or that button. You can use whichever wallet that you want to show up on that letter of good standing, let's say a USD balance, the date today, or a specific date that you want shown on the letter of good standing. You download it, it's going to have a pop-up once again where it's going to generate and download your file. And then once it's done, it's going to show up. You can open it and it's going to show this. So it's going to show your billing address, your phone number, your full name, the type of wallet that you chose, the balance on the specific day that you have chosen earlier, the balance on that day, and any other information that is relevant to the letter of your good standing.